Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change the event date on your gift list in Amazon. Now let's begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in. Initially, what you guys need to do is simply click on this registry button right here. You'll find it at the top right section of the screen. Once you click on it, do note that you can create a new registry or a gift list from right here. But right now, let's simply focus on our gift list. Right here at the top, right next to this registry and gifting, you'll see something like your registries and gift list. Simply hover over it and just click on the gift list that you want to go to. Once you are in the gift list section, simply scroll down and do note that there are lots of tabs. But right now, what we need to do is simply go to settings. Once you're in the settings page, from right here, you can change your first and last name, your gift list title, and finally, what we're looking for, change the event date. Click on this calendar-like icon right here, and from here, simply select the date of your choice. I'm just gonna change it right now. As you can see, I'm changing it. And once everything's okay, simply scroll down and hit on Save Changes. And guys, that's it. That's how we change the event date for your gift list in Amazon. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.